How to fix this experience is not accessible because it is unrated in Roblox. Now, Roblox has this kind of feature as default if they are trying to create an experience that is only available for 9 plus or 14 plus age. Now, a good thing in 2025 is you can try to upload and verify your specific ID so that you will be able to play any experience without any problems or without any error. So to do so, just access your Roblox account and make sure that you are logged in. Now just head directly to the account settings, which is the gear icon at the top right portion. Scroll down a bit. Under personal, you should be able to see your current birth date. So the reason why you are getting that error code not accessible because it is unrated in Roblox, it is usually below 9 plus age that you have maybe accidentally set up. Now just simply choose verify my age and then you will be redirected on another page in which you'll have to upload any of your IDs available for you to be able to update your birthday. And that's the option that you can do for you to be able to fix this experience is not accessible because it is unrated in Roblox.